for cat sound. First of all, go to Events. Select when flag clicked and hit the screen. Then go to the motion, select go to X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. Point in direction. Turn 15 degrees. Place it under sequence. Now go to the My Blocks to create the blocks. Click on Make a Block. Then, click on Add Label. Name the label as Move the Cat Forward. And click OK. Now go to Motions. Select and drag. Move 10 steps. Now again create the block as Move and Bounce at the edges. Again select and drag Move the Cat Forward block. Go to Motion. Select and drag if on edge bounce. Again select and drag the Move and Bounce at the edges. Now go to Costume, click on Costume to adjust some settings as per shown. Now again make a block as Keyboard Control. To make cat sound, go to Controls. Select the If block. Go to Sensing, select the key space and drag under If block. Then go to Looks. Select and drag the next costume. Then go to Sound. Select and drag the Start Sound Meow block. Then go to Motion, select and drag the point toward mouse pointer. Make sure add the blocks in sequence. Then add the Keyboard Control block at the both sides as shown. Now we can check the out by running the program. We can see that the cat turns and makes the meow sounds by changing its body color toward the mouse pointing direction.